When you're stuck inside your home, the last thing you want is a dirty window blocking your view. Dirty windows are unsightly and they block out all that precious sunshine. Windows can be a trap for pollen and germs, like the coronavirus. John English from Fish Window Cleaning says windows should be a top priority as homeowners tackle spring cleaning while staying at home.
Cleaning your windows should be one of the first things you do in the spring. You want to keep pollen and other allergens outside of your home. Second, coronavirus is something affecting everyone, keeping us home right now. And according to various sources, it can live on different surfaces, even glass, for several days. So by cleaning your windows, you're actually keeping your home even more safe.
When you clean your windows, make sure to avoid these common mistakes. Mistake number 1, skip safety. Remember, safety always comes first. Wear gloves when using cleaning products. Use a buddy system if you need to use a ladder to clean hard-to-reach windows or second-story exterior windows. Or better yet, call a professional.
The professionals at Fish Window Cleaning have the best tools to get the job done well and safely.
Mistake number 2, rush the job. This is one job you don't want to finish in a hurry. Take the time to get rid of dust, dirt, and cobwebs before applying a cleaning solution. Then wash away with your preferred cleaning solution. Be sure to wipe down the tracks, sills, and any water drips. Mistake number 3, wipe with newspaper. Newspapers may have been a weapon against dirty windows back in the day, but certainly not anymore. They contain harsh chemicals like ink that aren't great for glass. A soft microfiber cloth is a much better choice. It's absorbent, doesn't leave behind streaks or paper particles, and you can use it again. Just throw it in the washer when you're done.
Please don't use newspaper to clean your windows. A microfiber towel is a much better option. Better yet, a squeegee. Most homeowners don't have a squeegee or might have trouble using them, which is a great reason to call Fish Window Cleaning.
Mistake number 4, clean on a sunny day. While it may be enticing to wash your windows on a sunny day, that warm sunshine can rain on your cleaning parade. That's because the warmth can cause the cleaning solution to dry quickly, leading to streaks. Save the cleaning for a cloudy day, and the forecast will show nothing but sunshine through those windows later.
The Fish Window Cleaners have the ability and technology to clean in all types of weather. However, most homeowners should wait for a cloudy or overcast day.
Although some of Fish Window Cleaning's locally owned stores are temporarily suspending service due to the COVID-19 pandemic, many locations are still able to serve their communities. Even if your nearby franchise location has temporarily suspended service, reach out to them to request your free estimate. Spring is typically a very busy time, so they expect schedules to book up quickly. Of course you can clean your windows while stuck inside. Just avoid the mistakes we mentioned, or make it even easier on yourself and call Fish Window Cleaning when you're ready. Request a free window cleaning estimate by visiting fishwindowcleaning.com.